Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about what's new in Claude Opus 4.7. As you know that Claude has recently launched this Opus 4.7 model. Let's look at the benchmarks. So if you see the S Sweep Bench Pro, it has given 64.3%, and it is really comparable to GPT 5.4. And guys, just look at this Mythos preview. It is around 77.8%. I'm more interested in Mythos preview to test it out. However, it is not available at the moment. On the other side, if you still compare Opus 4.7 with GPT 5.4 or maybe 4.6, you see the marginal difference is there. Swi bench verified, you see it is 87%. Another thing which is very interesting in this is humanity last exam. It has beaten GPT 5.4. Here you can see 46.9%. Apart from that, it has given good benchmarking in terms of finance agent. You can see 64.4%. Overall, it looks like a really good model. What they are claiming is that it is really good at long running tasks, and another benchmark is that it is very good at looking at the images at high resolution. It is actually, in fact, three times uh, more accurate in terms of resolution of analyzing the images. So yeah, now let's move to the real thing. So I have the Claude Opus 4.7. Now let's try to build some application. So as usual, we are going to start with the very first to do application, I would say. So for example, this is the Claude 4.7. Now let's create a app named to do app. Okay, and let's open this. First of all, in order to use it, I am going to generate the prompt for creating the to do application. So I'm going to create a to-do app. I want you to provide me the prompt covering all the most important requirements. It has to be the front end only using React.js as a library. Let's make it as comprehensive as you can. So let's see. Let me say another thing. I am going to use this prompt inside Claude Code. You so share the description in a way that my model understands it and build this application in one go. I mean, in a single prompt itself. So let's see that which kind of prompt it generates. So build a production grade to do application using React. Use Vite as right. The app should feel polished, React 18, Tailwind, and all. It is going to use Zoostan as a state management library. Then we are giving the folder structure, to do CRUD, to do properties, filtering, sorting, views are going to be productivity features. I think we could have skipped this thing. Drag and drop reordering. I think this is good. Then your UX, data persistent reliability, settings panel. I think this is pretty much. Apart from that, there are certain design guidelines, code quality requirements that it has provided. Deliverable is going to be working Vite and React project with README, Git ignore, and all. Prompt and quick tips. If you are using this in Claude Code, run it in the empty directory. After generation, run. All right. So now let me copy this prompt and feed it to our Claude Code, and let's see how it works. So here, let me just create a file test.txt readme.ml. MD. Now let's open Claude Code. Let me first verify the model. So guys, you can see that it is Opus 4.7 already and it is the recommended one. Now I am going to provide it. Let me change the effort to medium itself. I think medium is fine. Edit automatically is also fine. I have provided the complete prompt now. Let's see that uh, how well it creates this application. So in the meantime, till the time it actually creates this application, let's see that what are the different features. So okay, let's see. It has created the updated to do setup wheat configure tailwind build zoostan constants reusable build to do components. So I think it has created the entire set of to do's for building this application. We are also going to see that how long it is going to take to build this application. And in fact, I have another idea, guys. I also have codecs available. So what we can do is we can actually create a new application over there itself. Maybe okay, let's do that thing later on because I wanted to actually use GPT 5.3 Spark because my experience with GPT 5.3 Spark has been really good because it is ultra fast in terms of development. But yeah, I will come up with the comparison of Codex versus Claude Code using GPT 5.4, 5.3 versus Opus 4.7. The good thing about Opus is that now they are providing 1 million context window, which is really a good thing. So let's see. So I am also going to see that how my usage is going to get affected. Uh, Currently, my current window was 100% available. I am going to see that how it works. All right, in the meantime, let's again open this Opus 4.7 page. All right. So the model has substantially better vision. That's what I said. It can see images in greater resolution. It's more tasteful and creative when completing professional tasks, producing higher quality interfaces, slides, and docs. Although it's less broadly capable than our most powerful model, Claude Mythos Preview, it shows better results than Opus 4.0 across a range of benchmarks. That's really good. As you know that this Mythos is so powerful that they are not able to launch it publicly. So that's why they have created a new project called Glasswing, where they are giving the exclusive access to the cyber security guys to verify it, where they have created a alliance with top companies like Google, Microsoft, and all. So these are few testimonials by different companies. So below are some highlight instruction following. I think this is one of the most important things. Substantially better at following instructions. Improved multimodal support, as I mentioned, high resolution of images, real world work. Our internal testing showed has been more effective finance analyst than Opus 4.6, which is good memory. Opus is better at using file system based memories, remembers important notes across long multi session work. This is something which is really good. So for office tasks, GDP knowledge work, then for vision, it is good. You can see. Then document reasoning. Wow, the benchmarks are 80, which is really good. Long context reasoning, again, it has beaten the previous model. Biology, again, very good long-term coherence. And then at last we have coding. So you see the accuracy over there. Then we have this misaligned behavior. Overall misaligned behavior score from our automated behavioral audit. On this evaluation is the modest improvement on Opus 4.7. 4.6. In addition to Opus 4.6 itself, we are launching following updates. More effort control. Okay, so they are introducing this extra high max access to the users on the cloud platform as well for high resolution, which is great. In Cloud Code, the Ultra Review command produces a dedicated review session, reads through changes, flags bugs, design issues that a careful reviewer would catch. We are giving Pro and Max Cloud Code users three free Ultra Review to try it out. In addition, we have extended Auto Mode to Max users. Auto Mode is a new permission option where Cloud makes decisions on your behalf. Wow, that's really great. So now let's see where we have reached. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4 tasks are already done. So see guys, this is the beauty of these agentic apps these days. They are doing a lot of work automatically. I know that I am only building this to do application at the moment, but I will be trying out building different complex level applications, and I am also thinking to do the comparison of different AI models, different AI tools to see which one works best for us. In my personal experience, what I have observed is that if I have to do the serious work, Cloud Code is one of the best tool in terms of instruction following, in terms of quality and all. On the other side, I have also explored Codex. I have a mixed experience with Codex because sometimes I observed that while giving some instructions, it sometimes misses certain things. Sometimes it is not really good at building good UIs, and sometimes the depth that is required is missing. However, I have really liked their Spark model, GPT 5.3 Spark, where I have to get things done really quickly and it just get the work done. So yeah, in another video maybe I will be sharing how actually this works. All right, now let's see. Migrating from 6, it is direct upgrade. Okay, we have already seen. The trade-off is the same input can map more tokens depending on context. Second, things more at higher effort level, particularly or later. All right. Agentic coding performance by effort level. So you can see that the number of tokens it consumes are way higher for the max. All right. Overall, this really looks impressive because I am most interested in this benchmark, that is VBench Pro. All right, guys. So now let me stop this recording and I will restart it once it is done with the task so that I can share that how it has built this application. So guys, as you can see that most of the to-do items are complete. Now we have reached a point where it is going to install all the dependencies. So let it install that and it is going to wire up error boundaries and toss, then write the readme file for us. And let's see how it goes. So now build is there. It is now just killing certain processes. Let's see it in action now. So guys, what's new that I am observing here at the moment is that it is it has written the readme, and while doing so, uh, it figured out that there are some unused imports, so it is automatically fixing that, and now you see that the build is created and verified. It is now giving us what has been done. All right, production build passes, dash server boots, serves at this. I can't open a browser manually. Click through, so flag. All right, so let us run this application. Alright guys, so this is the application that has been created by Code Opus 4.7 now. I would say that this is the UI that it has created is amazing. It is not very easy or very common to have this type of comprehensive to-do application that has been built with single prompt covering so many things. So it is telling you that you have two total to-dos all active are 2. So now let's mark it as complete. So done today. Now let us click on edit. So you can see that title description is there, priority is also there, tags are present, and I can see great. Save changes, and now I can see the completed tasks. Active is only one. Now let's create a new to do. Create a YouTube video. All right. I can also give it the priority. It is high. Date is today only. Status is to do. It is personal. And now I can also create subtask. Create the script. Create the thumbnail. Do the recording. All right. Now let's see this in action. So it is telling me that create a YouTube is there. We have 3 tasks. Let me mark all as done. Okay. If I edit, I can see that I can mark a particular to do as well. So let's now see them by priority. Okay, urgent tags are there, sorted is there, completed. I have already shared. We have checked this thing also. Now let's see deleting this. Okay, we can duplicate the to do as well. Now maybe we can delete the to do. Okay, this toast window is also there. Undo option is also there. Wow, I'm really impressed with the depth of their understanding about things. Now guys, you can see that we have 4 total, 1 done, streak, due and all. We can even add new tags. Wow, that's also a very good functionality. This is test. All right, press N to add a new task. Okay, wow, these keyboard interactions are also there. Now let's move to the board view. Here you can see that we have a Kanban board. The ones which are marked as done are in this. Let's move to in progress. Wow, that's really awesome. If I mark it as done, save changes, now you can see that it is reflecting over there also, and I can create a new task from here itself. Wow, I really like this functionality. Okay, all right. Now let's go to the calendar view. Okay, so calendar view is not available. I'm not sure. All right, then we have the command panel. We can do undo, redo. We can open the board for keyboard shortcuts. Great. We can have a dark mode, light mode. I really like this attention to detailing that it has shared. Great. I can actually export the JSON as well. Default view, I can also do that. We can also clear all the data. So guys, I would say that this has been a really good to-do app that has been created by Claude Opus 4.7. Right now, I just give it a single shot to build this application. Maybe in the next video, I am going to give the same prompt to Codex and see that how it performs over there. And of course, I will also be seeing that what's the total time it took to build this application. All right, guys, thank you. Thank you for your time. See you then in the next video.